TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. All three very different, but one thing remains consistent throughout. Short form content is king.
Reels already makes up more than 20% of the time that people spend on Instagram.
Google said in June that more than 1.5 billion people watch YouTube Shorts every month.
I decided to put this to a test to see if short form content is actually a viable way to grow your channel on YouTube by posting a YouTube short for 60 days straight. Here are the results. Following the last 30 days of posting a YouTube short on YouTube every day, the video with those results linked above, these are the next 30 days, which makes this a 60-day streak. As we can see, those results from the previous 30 days pretty similar to these results from this 30 days. 30,000 new views just coming from shorts and over 35 new subscribers gained. But if we take a closer look, it was a lot from the later videos throughout. As you can see, at the beginning of these 30 days, the YouTube algorithm was still kind of trying to figure out what exactly my content was serving as a photo and video YouTube channel. Taking a closer look at the shorts I posted during these 30 days, they were very similar to the last 30 days shorts content, and they were again grouped into those three categories of the best or top 10 photos I took during a certain shoot or event, the camera settings I used to get a certain photo and the end result, and finally the before to after the photo edit that I did. And as you can see, it was still a learning process during these next 30 days. 60 days is not a long time, just 2 months, and I still was learning a lot about what the YouTube algorithm liked to pick up and what my audience specifically targeted to that photo and video niche liked. And as you can see, I had a lot of dull videos that garnered less than 100 and even 500 views. But as you can see, it was about consistency and changing and adapting my content and trying to just add more value and interest to the viewers. And as you can see, towards the end of it, I started consistently gain over 1,000 views, resulting in one day where I got 3,400 views on just one short I posted. With all the attention short form content has gotten, some people might expect immediate big growth, bigger than the ones you see on the screen here. But the three takeaways I learned is that consistency is key. You have to stay consistent in posting your short form content in order for the YouTube algorithm, or really any algorithm that you post short form content on, to recognize the audience you're serving and to serve it to the intended audience. The second one, patience. Patience is very key. You have some times, and you can see on the chart on the screen here, that had some times and even stretches of multiple days where my shorts and short form content just was not getting picked up. And it was very frustrating, especially when I had previous results of 2,500 views or 1,800 views. But being patient and trusting in your consistency is key, because that will again result in views and subscribers down the road. And the third key takeaway is shorts might not be the boom or bust that everyone is talking about. Sure, 30,000 views is crazy, and 35 new subscribers is great for a small channel like mine and many others trying to grow the audience, but it's not a do or be all thing. You can still post long form videos and be successful on these platforms. And taking a look at the numbers overall through these first 60 days, 52,000 views. 52,000. That is a crazy number to me. Never get used to that. And 87 new subscribers to this channel. Again, I want to put an asterisk on that. Probably only 75% of those, so around the 70-ish mark, actually stayed and didn't unsubscribe as we continue posting more content. But as you can see, this chart, there's a lot of spikes and a lot of valleys. And if you want to see what the next 30 days will be like and what the result of 90 straight days of posting a YouTube short on YouTube is, stay along for the ride.